What if the most powerful leadership skill isn't technical, isn't strategic, isn't even intellectual? It's emotional. At Impact, we believe that the future of leadership is deeply, unapologetically human. And in a world where AI is reshaping how we work, emotional intelligence is becoming the human edge that sets great leaders apart. Because it's not about what leaders know, it's about how they connect. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognise, understand and manage emotions, both your own and other people's, and then using that insight to lead with clarity, compassion and courage. Emotionally intelligent leaders are able to avoid the misunderstandings and tensions that derail so many teams and projects. And their engagement and buy-in is off the charts, because their people feel seen, heard and valued, and not just as employees, but as human beings. We explore emotional intelligence through 5 core human capabilities: awareness of self, others and the situation; deep listening, that means listening that's active, present and without judgment; curiosity, that drives learning and connection; empathy, that sees beyond behaviour to emotion; and relationship building, which creates trust and psychological safety. And here's the thing. In an AI-driven world, these human capabilities are more important than ever. Because machines can't build trust. They can't listen with empathy. They can't lead people through change. But you can. So, where to start? Our leadership model, Notice, Decide, Act, makes this really simple. Because emotional intelligence is an act of leadership in itself. First, start with noticing. Notice when something shifts emotionally, in yourself or in others. Then decide how to respond. And then summon the courage to take action. For example, you might choose to check in with your colleague privately to see if everything is okay, or to simply be mindful and create space for whatever they're going through. Perhaps you decide you need a moment away to check in with yourself and regulate your own feelings. Whatever you choose to do, always follow action with reflection, because demonstrating emotional intelligence is an act of leadership, and every act of leadership is a chance to learn and grow. So in a world racing towards AI and automation, emotional intelligence is one thing machines can't replicate. It's also the foundation of great leadership, team performance and transformation. Want to build emotionally intelligent leaders in your organisation? Learn more in our free leadership playbook. You'll find the link in the description.